welcome back to Lakisha Loves to Plan. I'm using this beautiful DEKdesigns kit for my weekly this time, and this beautiful DEKdesigns kit for my monthly for the month of November. So break out your planners and come plan with me. We're planning the month of November and the first week of November. So I want to actually start with the week, because in my passion planner, if a day from the previous month is in the week, they actually put the week ahead of the month. I know that sounds kind of weird, but that's how they do it. So in my passion planner, the first week of November actually comes before the monthly calendar of November. And then after, after the monthly, then the first full week of November starts. And so I'm going to be just going through and creating my layouts for each one. And stick around, because I'm going to be doing tip-ins on both pages. And the first tip-in is actually going to be a beautiful tip-in from vinvonaly, and actually the second one too. I decided to use some dashboards I received in a kit as my tip-in, so you want to stick around for that. Also, I'm going to be sharing my monthly goals as well as my weekly goals and doing some reflection. So just reflecting on the month of October. I really enjoyed October. I think October was pretty productive. I was productive, especially in my business and career. And I spent a considerable amount of time with my 6-year-old because of all the fun stuff, the pumpkin patch and trunk or treat at church, and he had to dress up at school, and he had spirit weeks at school. So I really spent a lot of time with my 6-year-old in October, and I absolutely loved it. And for the most part, I did pretty well with my YouTube videos. I did skip last week because it was a little intense. I don't know if I skipped last week or the week before, but it had gotten intense at work one week and I just fell behind. So that would probably be my growth for the month of November for sure. So as far as October went, I felt pretty satisfied. I did feel like I wasn't as productive as I could have been in all areas of my life. So I'm going to change that, or at least try to change that in November. As far as this week, I'm doing the layout for this week right now. This week is going to be the start of November, getting ready for Christmas and getting ready for Thanksgiving in my home. So I'm into project therapy right now. I am about to do a lot of projects in my home, continue to declutter. Oh, that's another thing I did in October. I decluttered all the closets in my house, and that just made me feel more clean and open and airy, just like it's starting to feel outside because of the fall weather. So I'm happy about that decluttering, and I want to continue to declutter. I think when I take out my Christmas decor, I'm going to be decluttering that too, because I know I have some old stuff that I no longer want that I still have that I have to get rid of. And then I have to check my lights, because sometimes, I don't know, between this Christmas and last, the lights just go dead. I don't know. But I absolutely love this kit here. It is this dark, rich red, which is a beautiful fall color, reminds me of leaves, and I love all of the pictures and the foil. This kit to me is really rich in color and beautiful. So I'm excited about this kit too. But going back to my weekly goals, so I want to continue to work on those projects, continue to do my best at work, continue to work with my kids and my husband to just try to get things in order around the house, and try to organize myself this week also for my businesses and make sure I'm staying on top of everything. I redid my time map in October, which was really good for me, so I don't feel like overwhelmed with my schedule. I know exactly each day what I need to work on, and I can go back and track each day what I need to work on. For example, if you look at Monday, on my time map, Monday, I wake up, I take my son to school, then I work all day, and then after work I'll have either a meeting or I'll help my son with homework, and then I'll cook dinner, and then do some more things around my nonprofit, the Christmas experience, and then I'll go to bed. So that's just an example of one day during the week in my time map, how I have it laid out. At the bottom here where you see me putting these stickers is where I put my reminders. So like if I need to call the doctor, or if I need to call the financial person or the bank, or if I need to make an appointment, or if I need to run an errand, or make a call, I'll put it down here at this bottom part. And so that's why I organize this in a specific way. On the other side that you see blank right now, I usually write like fun quotes over there. I decorate that side a little more. But lately, I have been using it to remind myself of different things, including my goals for the week. So that has been working as well. So comment below if you do the same thing. Do you schedule your whole week? Do you know, like I know on Sunday what my whole week is going to look like. Do you do it like that, or do you do it day by day? How do you do it? I know for me, scheduling my week out really de-stresses me. Like, because I know what's coming up, for the most part, I can handle anything that's off course. So say I know on Wednesday I'm supposed to be doing a leadership coaching, and for some reason on Wednesday I don't get to do leadership coaching. Well, I'm not stressed out because I know that's time free that's given back to me. So I can look at the rest of my goals and say, okay, since I don't have to do leadership coaching during this time window, how can I use this time for something else, either professional or personal? So that's just how I do it. I'm trying to look at this week to see if I have any significant appointments. I do need to call my eye doctor because I broke my glasses. So I need to get my my eyeglasses fixed this week. I already took my Christmas trees out of the garage. They're all in the living room, like a big mountain, because I have 8 trees, full-size trees sitting down there in the living room. So I want to continue to put those trees up this week. What else? I got to make sure my son is on top of his homework. I did do meal planning. So I'm going to see, how that goes this week in terms of like saving me time. And that's it. So lovely. I love this layout. Comment below if you like this layout. I think it's so pretty. I absolutely love it. All right, y'all, here's the first tip in that I was telling you about. This is a beautiful dashboard from vinvonaly.com, and please make sure you visit the shop and use Lakisha20 to get 20% off. So I'm just sizing it up to the page right now, and what I like about this dashboard is it's very sturdy, and I can write on top of the flowers because there's flowers on the front and back, which I absolutely love. Like sometimes you get a dashboard and it has stuff on the front but nothing on the back, but not at vinvonaly. vinvonaly has some stuff on the front and some stuff on the back, and the stuff is specifically flowers. So pretty, y'all. Woo, I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, so I want to get ready to switch this over to my monthly and talk about my monthly goals. So and here's my reflection page. So take a sip of something and then continue to watch with me. If you want to pause right now and go get your planner and start to plan with me for your monthly, you can. This is the month of November. Wow, y'all, we only have 2 more months in 2021. Unbelievable. This year seems like it went faster than 2020. I don't know. This year has been a doozy. It has been a doozy. I know my word of the year this year was freedom, and I'm still processing through what that means for me. Usually in December I reflect on the entire year, and you're going to see me do a year-long flip through of this planner. I might do it live, so stay tuned for that in December. But right now I'm just going to put these numbers on here, which is a tedious process, but it is worth it because in the end your monthly looks really cute. And then I'm just going to pepper stickers around this, and if you see my washi here, it says thank you, thanks a bunch, and of course November is the month of thanks. November is also American Diabetes Awareness Month. So the American Diabetes Association is hosting a challenge. So I am going to challenge you to join me. They want you to walk 34 miles this month, 34 miles. So I am going to incorporate walking in my goals this month, like more walking than usual, so I can get my 34 miles in. And I just want to be healthier anyway, and I think it's for a good cause as well. So if you want to find out more about the 34-mile walk challenge, please go to the American Diabetes Association website. So in terms of my goals this week, I so love this kit. In terms of my goals this week, not this week, sorry y'all, this month, goals this month, I want to frame them in the areas of my life. So I'm going to start with career and business. This month I want to continue to work at my highest capacity at my job, and then I also want to continue to upload my diabetes content and my planning content on both my channels. And remember, I have 2 channels, Defeating Diabetes with Lakisha and Lakisha Loves to Plan. So make sure you join both of them so you can see all the lives and all the information that I'm putting out on YouTube. Y'all, I'm really working really hard on YouTube, and I just want to thank you so much for just supporting me and always being there for me as I try to do this craziness on YouTube. So shout out to all my tribe members. You know I love you much. And then what I want to do with my business is I do want to close out Success My Way Academy. It ends on November 13th. I will be starting another one this winter. So look out for that. I'm doing a Black Friday special, so you might want to look out for that if you want to learn how to just know your purpose, if you want to learn how to increase or start a business, if you want to learn how to get more healthy and eat right, please join Success My Way Academy. So look out for that. During Black Friday, I will be promoting Success My Way Academy, and I'm also trying to start another course, so I'm working on that course as well. So I'll let you know when that course comes out. That one is going to be straight just online without me incorporated, and it's just going to be like a online course. So stay tuned for that course. I'm really excited about that one too. And then the last thing for business is just to continue to do my leadership coaching and try to just analyze the progress with that. So as you can see now, I'm just peppering all of these stickers around on my monthly, just putting stickers where important dates are, like Veterans Day, Daylight Savings Time is coming up, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, etc. All right, getting back to my goals, I also have a goal to spend quality time with friends and family. My husband and I are trying to plan a trip. We want to plan a trip before 2022, so we're going to try to do that. I'm also going out on a girls' trip with my friends. Don't know what we're doing quite yet, but we'll figure it out. And then I want to plan for a successful Thanksgiving and Christmas. And as far as my health is concerned, I really want to continue to meal plan, exercise, and see my doctors. I do have to do my A1C check this month. And remember, it's always good if you have diabetes to go to the doctor every 3 months for your A1C. And then I want to continue to work on my schooling. I have one last chapter I have to edit and turn in, and I have to meet with my professor this month. So hopefully that will happen. And then I definitely have to decorate and clean my house. I have to switch everything over to Christmas. So I'm in the middle of doing that right now. And I have to plan for my nonprofit, the Christmas Experience, which we are having a fundraiser for the Christmas Experience.org. If you want to learn more about the nonprofit, please go to tchristmase.org. And also, we are doing a fundraiser selling paparazzi jewelry that's coming up soon, so stay tuned on my live. So isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. DEK has me so spoiled by the foil. And I'm going to top this off with a beautiful sunflower cone from vinvonaly. I'm just sizing it up, and I'm going to use this to write my monthly goals. So the goals that I just shared with you just now and a couple others will go on this tip in right here. And what I do when I write my goals on the monthly, every time I plan my week, I go back to this, y'all. I go back to this tip in and look at all of my goals to make sure that I am on track week by week for my monthly goals. So usually I use Scotch tape to put these on, but I thought using washi would just be more festive. And there is my Ugg boot clip, and I'm done. Oh my gosh, y'all, I really enjoyed doing this. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to both my channels, Lakisha Loves to Plan and Defeating Diabetes with Lakisha. Have a blessed week and a wonderful month of November. And until then, please have a blessed week. Bye now.